Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install rear trunk struts on your 2003 Honda Pilot. So first thing you want to do is take a small flathead screwdriver, and then what you want to do is pry it under this insert here, and you can pop the clip out, and then you should be able to take out the actual strut. So I'm going to show you both sides. First one is going to be how you don't do it like this. So see how it's basically falling on me. So you can get it out that way, but I'll show you the other side where it's a lot better. So go ahead and put it up there just to, keep it in place for now. Do the same thing for the bottom. So pop this clip up, and then you should be able to pull the strut out. But what you want to do is use your other hand and hold the actual trunk. That way it doesn't fall on you. And then basically, reverse order to put the strut on. So take the new one. I have a link in the description for this one that I bought. So if you're curious, it'll be in the description. So go ahead and pop it in place. You just need to put a little bit of pressure to pop it in. So this is what it looks like when it's actually, fully seated. And then go ahead and do the top one. So go ahead and hold the actual trunk, and you're going to have to lift it up a little bit high to get it in place. And so, same thing as the bottom, get it seated in there and then just push it into place. You have to put a little bit of pressure to get it in. And then that's how you do it. So this is me just showing you how to unclip it basically. So see that little insert there? You want to put a little screwdriver in there and then pop it out. So this is a much better way to do it on the other side. So go ahead and put the flathead in there in the insert, hold the trunk with one side, lift the trunk up a little bit, and then pull the strut off, and then you can use it, put it there for now to hold the trunk up. So even with the other side, with the new one, it won't stay up, so you've got to hold it with your hands. So same thing on the other side, hold it with your hand, and then you can yank it off and then put the other one on. So right now one of my hands is holding the actual trunk up, and then I'm popping this. Nope, just kidding, I was using my head. That's what I was using. And then pop that on, so seat that on, and then go ahead and work it at the top once you've got it seated. So it's actually not seated quite yet, so just watch. See it pop into place there. So make sure it's fully seated on there. And then go ahead and do the top one. So use one hand to hold the trunk up, and then line that up, and then pop the seat that on there, and that's it. So if you thought this video was helpful, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.